enche bia na NCA for gitum say all Starlink or Ghana haya obetimi ayisu abra so just to say bia wa shopping normal or Alibaba we na oba Ghana na oyisine nti was Starlink ha obetimi ayisu nti amani padona or Ghana high omo person motor Starlink because of the how expensive data bundles here e Ghana hase. But you know, cribby woman, ni padona nim about Starlink, you know, or Starlink and the kind of boy is saying, oh, Starlink every month we are recharging is saying, and into na me share that to Starlink nibia, me share me pese me the money who na me who they won't be no see meet me a be cash show. And see oh tisika 10,000 and now 12,000 Ghana says a to Starlink ube hu ade a wotu sika na kwakoto. Before say me don record the table no sisi ano I'm sure Starlink dey nkwa na Starlink. Starlink no a device bi a o install wo fie a be ma wo internet access. In simple explanation no e be ma wo internet access. Na communicate with satellite and the ma wo internet no nti say bi a oko area bi a obeka say in see MTN po wo ho enti ade se bi a mo frame MTN fo no mbesi po wo ho anse na wonya internet na Starlink no de we hear some basic po ho et say be our call village by being so call villages na network ni ho but we won say omotimi aba strong no way no we won say still na aba normal point ahwe wiem nti we ni Starlink SpaceX and the buy in a SpaceX and the found the SpaceX no Elon Musk into na agiti bebre no nti Starlink no omu use low latency me call low latency me patch say satellite na wo wiem no ben asase no se satellite na ben asase na high latency nti low latency no and e boama in case of say opese on request ade a my internet na fast cause the communication between wo or request no to satellites no money fast because of say a ben assassin no but at sinti na yefene low latency because a ben assassin no a ben assassin high latency and Starlink technology no e use low latency na nim say ade bi a ben assassin bia no e ko e obeti fast because say obe assassin at the moment that one obeti fast no untimi maintain your position definitely will be falling. But I say in this sanity and the machine video la me explaining how satellites no technology never so working to with me a check YouTube channel la video na me about Starlink. And this is baby say Starlink ne boy saying Starlink ne upe bi ata Ghana ha no oko marketplaces na obo so mo ton 10,000 Ghana cedis, 12,000 Ghana cedis. It is scan 100 million and 120 million. Now, baby say subscription net is same. So, uchi 10,000 now 12,000 Ghana cedis now. Ubenya no more good table you see. Inti unya because of say officially in Starlink for Emma Ghana cause NC4 na omodia tum say oh Starlink no yabetimi use abra win show. But officially in Starlink for Enyamba Ghana ha. Inti in case of say auto Starlink na for subscription no uchu si Ghana Emma kwan ebeka cho say Ghana ontimi choose sa address way. That means open different location be a Starlink na support say Nigeria na say Kenya na say US European countries na supported wo hono na what you see. Nti e han ne be ma subscription price no depend on location now be choose their accounts now they be sign in no and then they be determine price na e be ma no. You find so you can now choose I think residential plan na e bit me amount £75 to be £75. Oko America be ma $110. But over Nigeria be ma o the bag na scama I think say around 400 cities. Nti it depend e wo country now be choosing nti me who say nipa do na leave or comment so Starlink subscription 1,500. So 1,500 now o US or converted by no crab 1,500 no. Nipa no account no login in Nigeria price na den e offer ma. Nti ade ba kwa yeso hu no no. Nti ma memfa monko table no so na ehwe e normal in case of sort of Starlink na box na e normal e wo. Nti uto a obenya cable way se wo hwe cable way a sa cable way e na be boa ama watimi dia share router nim cause nti router no en wa asesi anu nti o de power no router na power no be hye mo asei nti sa cable way ka ho bi then na ahoma way ti say bi a water strong and I say sa multi TV no say sa ahoma no mo de kan no mo de afa window nim no nti sa ahoma way o mo de be hye router nim pacha o mo de ba ko be hye router nim na ba ko so be ko Starlink no but I say we need Starlink nti say net here ti ba ko be ko Starlink just in case of say okoma out no we are we ne wo no na odi ahye then na timi aboa ma watimi amount. As time goes on, I mean installation and subscription no major process no how be mount be until first time about stay tuned me the sa video ni be brown until be how etie but to see the man who afa ho no app no guide o actual cause app no be ma wa point to phone no e betimi open tutorial be ma wa point to phone na hwe so na wo chinchim phone ni say enti wo chinchim phone no e wi na actual say o baby a wa hase na emwo enti movie fa kose enti app no be guide o ama wa timi ahu baby a say one place no enti the ade ni si wa ade na nkasa bepe signal then inya signal no pachata enti we need subscription in your unlimited into that means our account no details in Nigeria now a month now which we have 450 Ghana cedis unlimited and now we need so no a nipa 200 plus bit me connected but the more na nipa don't cost na or more use no the more na internet ne speed in the back from T and the simple logic I say will be a home. And normal is see and S will be a home, but as time goes on, me installation now me connecting internet now me try internet speed, you know. The S will be a home be no be who channel way so because any the main reasons have to Starlink into head and crown me video at the after home. And to a question be or while leave for two video the next video na me banner me address now me boa if I say share